at here is the new keywords, contains, and ifs. Go. So with these, so as with all new keywords, you do have to import the keywords. You can import all of the keywords with future.keywords, or you can do specific ones like .contains and .if. But for this, I'm just going to import everything. We're working with a little bit of input data here to kind of showcase this. I have an object with 2 lists in it. There's a food list, and then there's a fruits list. And so with that, we're going to look at the traditional way to create a set in Rego, which is with this format here, where you list what it's going to be called, you say what you want to be inside of it, and then you give the parameters. Right, and here we're saying when fruit equals fruit is going to be assigned any of the items in input.food, and then if that fruit is equal to something inside the fruit list, then it will be assigned. So here we can see apple and banana are in our fruits for our lunch. So now we're going to look at this with the new keywords. Right, so now we have lunch contains fruit, which is the same as this here. And then we use more keywords here. When some fruit inside of input.food, and that just gives us the keyword of fruit assigned to any of these, and then that fruit is in input.fruits. So with our keywords here, we're able to see that we have the same output. And then the last piece of syntactic sugar here is the if keyword. So this and this are pretty much exactly the same, except now we have this if keyword at the very end here. And so this is just for readability. If you're sharing a policy with someone who's newer to Rego, you might add these if statements to make this a little bit more clear. So now we can see that we have the same object being created with these 3 different ways of specifying. And then let's just go over a couple more examples of if. So here, we're going to show using if to decide what time it is. So here at the bottom, I'm just calculating the time in Mountain Time, which I am in. Just grabbing time.now, and then we're saying, right, it is breakfast time if it's between 5 a.m. and 10 a.m. It's lunchtime if it's between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. and dinner time between 5 p.m. and 11 p.m. Right, and so that just gives us. Oh, sorry, that was partial. There we go. And so here we can see current time is 11, and so it is lunchtime. Yeah. So that is a very simple version of contains and if, and we hope that these keywords are going to help people make policies that are a little bit more clear for their readers. Any questions from anyone on the call?